learn like this?
We just need a carpet.
Where would we get it from?
You need to go to Bloomsburg Carpet!
Good idea!
Bloomsburg Carpet is located in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, but their carpets are in places all over the world, including Disney World, several prestigious colleges, and many government buildings, including the White House. Now let's discuss with some employees the benefits of manufacturing.
The benefits of working in manufacturing is you get to work as a team.
So we do a lot of outside community work. We're like a big family here, so that's why I love working here.
And it's just nice working with people you know.
So the benefits of manufacturing are being able to see the product that you make out in the real world. Our carpet is some of the best carpet in the world, if not the best. We are the only mill here to offer 4 different types of weave structures.
To start the manufacturing process, the designer helps the customer decide the color, texture, design, and size of the carpet.
This is good, but it needs to be much bigger.
It's high-end carpet compared to lower qualities that's sold at box stores.
Bloomsburg Carpet receives the yarn in packages called bales. Once the employees unpack the yarn, it gets put on spools. Those spools then get placed on creels. Once done on the creels, the yarn gets placed on the loom to make the design chosen by the customers. After the design is made, it's checked by the burlers for imperfections in the carpet. When the burlers are finished, the manufacturers finish the carpet and send it to the dryer. Once done, they add a latex finish and shear the top off. Finally, it's inspected on the rolling table before it gets rolled up and shipped out to its destination.
That's much better.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.